Hi everyone, today I will show you how to set a vertical trim to your text in Figma. So every time you create a text block in Figma, you have this text box around your text, and you can't trim this text block. You see what happens. Your text goes below. You can trim it in horizontal way, but you can't do it in vertical way. And for example, if you want to, let's add this rectangle, and if you want to, let's say, align this rectangle exactly to the text, you can't, because this text box is too high, and you can't align it next to the T. So if you want to change it, if you want to trim it, what you need to do is you need to click here, these three dots, and here you have vertical trim. You just click that, and now you trimmed this part above the text. And now you can align this box next to the T. And that's it.